Hi guys, welcome back to my channel KDP Vlogs, and today I have received my Trek and Ride top box which we will be unboxing today, and I will also be making one video on installation of the same within few days. So let's unbox it and see. So let's open it. I have ordered it from Amazon and bought it for 6,999, and I think this is really a very good bargain. I am not allowing my son to handle this knife because many of my friends, they were all against it. Why you are allowing your son to handle this knife? Why should you do that? This is really a good one, a huge one. So guys, this is the box. Let me open this first, then I will be taking close shot for you guys to see. I am telling you, this is really awesome. The build quality is also very good. It has got a handle also, and there is one foam for the backrest. Your mom will be happy. So let us just open this box and see what we have inside. Yeah. That's great, man. So
That's awesome.
it's a huge place. I am telling you, there is a huge place inside. I think even my laptop bag, I will be able to carry my laptop bag here itself in case it rains. And the best feature which I like about this box is that you can open it anytime from your bike when you don't need it. And this one, we little bit sit here. I think like this. That's shown in the. And these are two screws which we need to fix it in the back frame of my Dominar. And I'm telling you, the build quality is very good. Thank you, Amazon, for fulfilling my wish. And I really love this, man. Do you want to say anything about this?
Yeah, I think it's very good. It has a big space and this foam pad. The earlier shots, top rack, I think it was a little bit
Smaller.
hard.
It was it's a 48 liter, and the start one which I use currently in my Dominar, it's 30 liter.
So
I think
it has a big, huge space.
the bigger cabin space, and I think my laptop bag will be fitting inside it. So in case it rains. So guys, let's have a closer look. Kitu will be helping me into this. Baba, can you please, Kitu, can you please close this box?
Okay. And like that.
So the build quality is really very good. This is for the pillion rider. And this thing will be fixed like this here. I will be making an installation video of this also. So guys, this is the top box from Trek and Ride. Hope you have loved my unboxing of this box. I will really appreciate if you can give me comments on how I am doing this video and if any changes I should apply to make it more professional.
So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Till then, bye.
Subscribe to KDP Vlogs. Till then, bye, take care.